I can't help but do this. You know what I'm saying? I'm one of these girls now. Like, oh, it's so hot. It's so hot out. This is a 360 glueless lace frontal wig. It is a Yaki straight wig. The length is 20 inches. It's 180% density. The color is a natural color. My cap size, I chose an average. I should have gotten a small. So make sure you get your cap size. It has a pre-plucked hairline and HD lace. One thing I want to warn you with, since this is HD lace is really, really soft. One thing I did was pull it a little bit too tight because you can see that wrinkle in time right at the top. And we're going to get prepared for baby hairs. Do I want to do baby hairs? Do I not? This wig does not require baby hairs. That lace is melting. Now we can get to the back. Now, this back part of my lace is so difficult. And next I'm going to go ahead and blow dry that area, and we're going to go ahead and apply the lace. You can tell me this wasn't my hair. Like, look how this looks. They're still in the hair. And this is what the finished look looked like. When I tell you it looked absolutely gorgeous from the front and the back, oh, it is flawless.